In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste elements in the exact same spot in a Canva design. When you're designing in Canva, it's really common to want an element, like a logo, an icon, or a text box, to sit in the exact same position across multiple pages or designs. Manually dragging and lining things up each time can be frustrating, and it's easy to end up with tiny misalignments. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to quickly copy and paste any element so that it lands in precisely the same place, every single time. Start by opening your Canva design and selecting the element you want to duplicate. This could be anything on your canvas: an image, a text box, a shape, or even a group of items you've already aligned together. Make sure it's highlighted so you can see the selection box around it. Next, you'll want to copy that element. On most keyboards, you can simply use the shortcut Control-C on Windows or Command-C on a Mac. If you're not a shortcut person, you can right-click the element and choose Copy from the menu, or use the Copy button that appears in Canva's top toolbar. The key idea here is that Canva remembers the position of that copied object relative to the page. Now navigate to the page or design where you want to paste it in exactly the same spot. This might be the next page in your current design, or a different page within the same document. Click anywhere on the canvas once, just to make sure Canva knows which page you're working on. To paste, use the shortcut Control-V on Windows or Command-V on a Mac. If you prefer the mouse, right-click and choose Paste. Canva will place the element in the exact same location on this page as it was on the original one. So if your logo was centered at the top of page 1, it will be centered at the top of page 2 without any extra effort. If you're working with multiple items that need to stay together, like a headline and a subheading, you can group them first, copy the group, and then paste it. This keeps everything aligned perfectly as a unit. Finally, repeat the same process on any additional pages where you want that consistent placement. By relying on copy and paste instead of manual repositioning, you keep your design clean, professional, and perfectly aligned across every page.